Namaste everyone. This is Anup Kumar Tiwari. So several times people are talking about enthusiasm, उत्साह, उमंग, जोश, जो इस समय काफी जरूरत है. What is this and how it's work in our life? Let's understand. इसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि उत्साह, उमंग, जोश लाइफ में क्या मायने रखता है, ये क्या चीज है और किस तरह से हाउ वी कैन maintain these things. Enthusiasm is the only way to live life to fullest. All our life we aspire for comfort, luxury, when all our really need is something to be enthusiastic about. We all have ample reason to be excited. We used to live in a most free and peaceful era in human history, but unfortunately, since last 1 year, entire world in painful and uncomfortable life journey. And this critical time, we need to revive our enthusiasm. Nothing great was achieved without enthusiasm. Enthusiasm and vision have helped every great person to realize his or her dream. Enthusiasm is that inspiration which triggers an intense state of energy when we are willing to go to any extent to pursue our dream or passion. For an example, water at 211 degree Fahrenheit cannot lift even a feather, small feather. However, at 212 degree Fahrenheit, it can help a row of heavily loaded wagons over a mountain. Such is the difference that 1 extra degree of temperature can make. Likewise, a small degree of enthusiasm can make a big difference. It can build or destroy our life. The worst bankruptcy in the world is when a person loses his or her enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is contagious. So the leader, the coach, or a boss must be enthusiastic. Otherwise, the spirit to win dies. All of us who can take every activity as a positive adventure can inspire this same attitude to others. When we are enthusiastic, our companions, our colleagues, our subordinates, and everyone around us gets charged up. Enthusiasm works like chain reaction. Not only do we reap the benefits of being enthusiastic, but those who get it from us can also benefit, and they in turn can pass it on to others. Everyone likes to be around people who have a perfect blend of positive attitude and contagious enthusiasm. When we share our enthusiasm with those who share our vision, the effect could last for a very long time, sometimes a lifetime. I would like to discuss some ways it helps us to be enthusiastic. Number one, to battle fear and worry. Number two, to prevail our stress. Number three, enhance our ability to persuade. Number four, encourage us to take action. Number five, to make obstacle easier to overcome. And number six, bring more success to our lives and to those around us. However, it is easy to lose enthusiasm. So, if we have it, let us not lose it. Let us hold on to it, build on to it, and share it with everyone who comes in contact with us. Enthusiasm does not mean continuous physical excitement, although we can remain constantly charged up if we want to. It means that we are positive about the outcome, whatever we do. A belief that connects us with the device, and we consider ourselves blessed and grateful to God and to people around us. We feel that we have found something so profound, like a vision, that we want to share it with others or become passionate about our work or a hobby or a book or a spiritual experience that moves us. So let us turn on our mental ignition, and we would find that our enthusiasm will spark everyone around us. Everyone around us. It will spark. Let us become excited with enthusiasm here and remain on top of the world for the rest of our lives. Whenever someone asks us, how are you? Let us reply, on top of the world. This would immediately elevate our mood and make positive changes in our body. So it would also improve people's attitude towards us and inspire us to be top of the universe. So again, I'm asking you, how are you? Thank you. Thank you.